Consecutive even integers are similar to consecutive integers, but not exactly the same. So even numbers start with 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. They also include the negatives of those numbers. So negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. So our number line again, further this way is bigger. The further left you go, the smaller you're going. We read a number line from left to right. So let's pick an even number. It can be on the negative side or the positive side. We just need one that's even. How about negative 4? All right, so if I'm at negative 4 and I am asked to go to the next consecutive even number, I always go from left to right. And is that even? 3 is not even, neither is negative 3. So I need to go 2 places before I hit another even number. So my next even number is negative 2. Let's find the next consecutive in a row even integer. Forward, negative 1 is not even, it's odd. So 0, officially not even, but it falls in the line of even integers. So in this case it is. And another, the next consecutive even. 1 is odd, so I can't stop there. 2 is even. So unlike straight consecutive numbers, we just went 1 space to get to the next number. Because of the word even here, we have to go 2 places to get to the next even number. Again, I'm going to ask myself the same question. What if I didn't know that I was starting at negative 4? Then I can label that n. And then in the language of n, how far did I go to get from my first number to my next even number? I went 2 places in the positive direction. So I went forward 2 or plus 2. From the negative 4, how did I get to the 0? I started at the negative 4 and I went forward 4 places. From the negative 4, how did I get to the positive 2? Start at the negative 4, count forward 6 places. How would I get to the positive 4 from negative 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting at the negative 4, I went 8 places. What do you notice about the counting up of our consecutive even numbers? We're counting by 2's. So, to find even integers, you will count by 2's. Let's look at an example. Find 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is negative 72. We will follow the same process we did for our consecutive integers. So we know we need 3 of them. My first one is always n. For even integers, I count by 2's. That's my first one. My second one will be n plus 2. And my third will be n plus 4, counting up by 2's. Again, this is the same verbiage other than even as our last problem. So whose sum is negative 72. Sum means the answer you get when you add. So I'm going to take my 3 numbers, n plus 2, and n plus 4, and I'm going to sum them and get negative 72. Time to solve. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other, but before I get there, I need to combine like terms and simplify. I have 3 n's, and I have a positive 2 and a positive 4. 2 and 4 is 6. So 3n plus 6 equals negative 72. Now I need to solve. Keep my letters on the left of that equal sign, get all my non-letters on the right of the equal sign. That means I'm going to get rid of 6. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other under the like term. 6 minus 6 is gone. I have 3n equals negative plus a negative stays negative. So I have 78. Divided by 3. I'm dividing because 3n is the same as 3 times n. The opposite is divide. If I divide one side by 3, I have to do the same thing on the other. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times n is just n. Negative 78 divided by a positive 3 is a negative 26. I've found my n, and that is negative 26. Now I need to use this n to find my n plus 2 and my n plus 4. Negative 26 plus 2. My signs are different, so I actually subtract them, and I get negative 24. Find my third number, negative 26 plus 4. My signs are different, subtract them. I get negative 22. So the three consecutive integers for this problem, negative 26, negative 24, and negative 22. 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is negative 72.